How's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to assemble this metal bed frame with a headboard. The first step you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take the headboard, lay it face down, and then you're going to get these leg pieces. Now it's very simple because they put green stickers to show which one goes on which side. Get confused there. You use the smallest bolts and you put 4 bolts on each side. I used a power drill for this because it goes a little bit quicker. The next step is you're going to put these pieces right here. These go in with 2 of the small bolts as well. And you're going to do the exact same step you did for the headboard on this as you would on the footer. Once you get those 2 things attached, you're going to connect the bracer piece. The brace piece is piece 13. It goes with a bit longer bolt on the outsides going in, and you're going to do that once again for the header and for the footer. After you get those 2 pieces, it takes a little finagling to get them both if you are doing this by yourself, but you pretty much just slot them in. They have a male and female end. It slots in nicely, and then you're just going to place piece D here, but you're not going to put any bolts in D just yet. After that, you're going to extend down these middle pieces. They are identical. They have this foam piece to know that it goes upwards, and they have legs that go down for both ends. Once those leg pieces are down, you're going to connect the middle piece with piece G, and piece G is the middle foot, and it's going to have 2 of the L2 bolts that go into piece G, and that's going to allow it to create your long run, which is the main support for this bed frame. Once you have that main support together, you're going to tie down with the L1 bolts. Those are a bit longer. They're going to go on each end, and it's going to be piece 13 to the ends with bolt L1. Once that's connected, you're going to put piece J3, which has a yellow sticker showing upwards, and you're going to put it across the middle. The first thing you want to do is you want to get the bolt, which is actually the longest bolt, which is in the slot with the Allen wrench. That's going to go down to the middle leg. Once that's attached, you're going to take 2 of the L2 bolts on one side, and you're going to fish it through and connect it with that middle brace piece, and then you have a nut to tie it. So there is a wrench in place. You can either hold the wrench and use the Allen wrench on the back side, or vice versa, just wrench it down with the Allen wrench as your hold piece. Once that's together, the very last thing you have to do is just put these slots in place. Once you get those slots in place, you're going to have a very clean bed frame. I really like the headboard with the wood matching the footer. Very simple, very sleek design.